Applications of computer. Computers have become so important for us that it is impossible to perform many tasks without them. They are used in almost every area. Let us learn more about the applications of computer in different areas. Computers are widely used at home for playing games, listening to music, for storing data such as address and telephone number, keeping track of monthly expenses, watching movies and cartoons, writing letters, computers are also widely used by teachers in schools for preparing lessons, for teaching different subjects using CDs, pen drive, etc. For preparing report card. Computers are also used by students for learning subjects, preparing projects, computers are nowadays used for making films. Computers are used in making films. Earlier, creating animation film used to be a difficult task. Each picture in the sequence had to be drawn by hands. Today, computers have made it really easy to make cartoon films and animations. Picture can be easily modified to suit the requirements of a picture. Animation is the technique of giving an object the appearance of movement by rapidly running a series of images of the object or character. It is widely used to provide the special effects used in the pictures, such as sequence of a battle, an earthquake, or a fire, that can be created using a computer, like the movie Bahubali or the Ravan. In space technology, computers are also monitor and control space equipments and satellites, etc. Satellites are linked to computers which provide information for space research. Satellites also help predict weather patterns, and they transfer information from space through computer on Earth. These computers process the information on Earth and make predictions on Earth. Space shuttles and rockets which take men into space are controlled by computers. Computers are widely used in offices for maintaining office records, for typing and printing documents, for communicating through emails and other softwares. Computers nowadays are used in libraries for maintaining all the database of books available in the library, keeping track of issued and return of books. Computers are widely used in the field of medicine. Computers are used to maintain patient record for future reference. Computerized equipments are used for performing medical tests and surgeries in hospitals. Computer assisted equipments helps in monitoring the condition of patient. Computer machines are used to manufacture medicines. Computers are also used in banks for providing account details to customer and printing account statement. For operating automated teller machine, which is ATM, it is a machine installed outside the bank that enable customer to withdraw money at any time and at anywhere. Computers are widely used in the field of designing. Architect designs buildings and houses on computer. Engineers design cars and aeroplane on the computer. A dress designer designs dress on the computer. Computers are used in shops and hotels for maintaining records of stock and items and its prices also. And it is widely used for preparing the bills in supermarkets and in shops. Next and the most important is the robots. Robots are human-like machines guided and controlled by computers, and they can do some tasks that human can't do. Robots can handle chemicals that are too dangerous for humans to touch. Robots can go dangerous places such as deep water to search for sunken ships and look for the mineral deposit. Robots can also go inside the active volcanoes. They can explore other planets, and robots also helps the doctors to perform operations. Computers are used in airline and railway booking. Counters, where all the computers are connected to a common network. These enable people to book tickets from any town or city. All the information required are fed into the computer by the booking person, and then the availability of the ticket is checked. The tickets so booked are printed and issued to the person. This new information is then updated immediately on all the computers through the common network, and latest status is displayed.